This is Tsp, and today we're making a shrimp salad wrap, a quick summertime wrap that you can take anywhere you want, especially to the beach. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all my recipes. In true fashion, all of the ingredients will be in the description. Alright, so we're going to start off by cooking some bacon. We're just going to use the air fryer. It's really simple and easy. You can set it and forget it. Go ahead and put the bacon in the air fryer. And look, the bacon is done. And it should look just like that. Nice and crispy, to your liking, of course. Alright, so we're going to start off this recipe by going ahead and seasoning our shrimp. We're going to season the shrimp. We're going to set it aside for about 30 minutes or so. So we're going to use some Old Bay seasoning or Old Bay rub or any of your best seafood seasoning that you like to use. Hey, you can actually use Cajun seasoning, but for this recipe, I'm using good old Bay from Maryland. Alright, mix it. Go ahead and set it aside for 30 minutes, and we're going to get the rest of the ingredients together. Alright. Start off with 3 celery sticks. You're going to roughly chop them. You don't need to be fancy with it. Just basically roughly chop them because we are going to be putting that inside of the blender. And go ahead and put that in a bowl just like that. And make sure you get every little piece. Don't forget the little guy. We don't waste nothing over here. You're going to roughly chop a half of a large onion. And you're going to go ahead and put that in the bowl as well. Okay. So once you go ahead and do that, you're going to go ahead and get your blender. I love the NutriBullet blender. And then you're going to go ahead and put all of the ingredients inside of the blender. You're going to finely chop the ingredients, almost mincing the onion and celery. You want them to be very fine. You don't want no big old chunks inside of your shrimp salad. You will have to drain some water because you know celery holds water. Okay? Alright, so now before we finish this recipe, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you love my content. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and steam your shrimp for this recipe. It's going to be quick and easy. Typically I saute, but this time I wanted to steam the shrimp. I want the shrimp to be nice and juicy. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add the shrimp to a steamer. You basically want to cover it, let it do its thing, and once the shrimp is done, the color should look just like that. Look at the seasoning on the shrimp. It's not overdone, and the shrimp is perfectly cooked. Go ahead and take this out of the steamer, put it in the fridge while you work on the rest of the recipe because you do not want the shrimp to overcook. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and start on our mixture. So we're going to go ahead and add some mayo. Don't worry, I have all of the ingredients listed in the description. This is a roasted garlic mustard I found in the grocery store. You can use whatever mustard you like, but I will put the brand and everything in the description. This is smoked Applewood horseradish. This is going to give it a nice punch. Then we're going to go ahead and add some hot sauce. This is some Old Bay hot sauce. If you cannot find Old Bay hot sauce, you can use whatever hot sauce that you have available. It's still going to make the recipe awesome. Go ahead and add that celery and chopped onion. As you see how fine that is, it's almost minced. You do not want big chunks of onion and celery in your shrimp salad. But again, if you like it, you can do it, but I like it minced. Now, off camera, I did add a half of a squeeze of a lemon. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record it, but make sure you add that. And then you're going to go ahead and add your shrimp, stir to combine, and make sure everything is coated just like that. Now, this is optional, but you can add some onion and garlic powder and some black pepper for additional flavor to your mixture, just like that. And look, really simple and easy. Go ahead and stir to combine, and then you're going to go ahead and set this aside as well so everything can settle, combine together, and it's going to be amazing. All right, look, put it aside. You're going to need 1 hour. All right, so now we're going to get our wrap. So this is actually a spinach wrap. Now you can use a regular tortilla wrap, but look, I'm trying to be a little healthy, so I'm using a spinach wrap. Then I have some spring mix. We're going to take our bacon. You're going ahead and add the bacon as much as you like, nice and crispy. Wow, look, this is quick and easy. Go ahead and add your shrimp salad to that. And this is going to be amazing. Like I said, you can take this on the go wherever you want. Summertime, here in LA, I like to go to the beach. So, you know, this will be a nice little snack dealing with that traffic. All right, so go ahead and wrap it up the best way you could. Now, I'm not a pro at this, but I did the best I could with wrapping it. Go ahead and cut it. And then you're going to see how amazing this looks with the bacon, the spring mix, the shrimp salad. Wow, look at that. This is your shrimp salad. As always, I'm going to dig into this. Thanks for watching Eats with Twan. And look, catch y'all on the next one. Y'all have a blessed one.